Deep in South America, there is a river so vast, so powerful, and so mysterious that even today, it feels less like a place on Earth and more like a hidden world that we are only beginning to understand, and this river is known as the Amazon. Flowing across countries such as Brazil, Peru, and Colombia, the Amazon River carries more water than any other river on the planet, creating a system so large that it can shape the land, control the climate, and support one of the richest ecosystems on Earth. What makes the Amazon truly fascinating is not only its size, but the fact that so much of it remains unknown. Scientists continue to find out new species every year, from insects and plants to fish and mammals, which shows that this vast environment is still full of life waiting to be discovered. In many ways, the Amazon is not fully explored, and parts of it remain hidden behind thick forest and difficult conditions. Beneath its dark waters, the Amazon is home to creatures that seem almost unreal. There are electric eels that can release powerful shocks, and piranhas with sharp teeth that can tear food apart quickly. But there are also more mysterious animals, such as the pink river dolphin, a rare species that has inspired many local legends. Some stories say that this dolphin can transform into a human at night, which shows how reality and imagination often blend together in a place where so much remains unknown. Another mystery that continues to puzzle scientists is the origin of the river itself. Some researchers believe that millions of years ago, the Amazon may have flowed in the opposite direction, which is very different from how it moves today. Changes in the Earth's structure, especially the rise of the Andes Mountains, may have slowly forced the river to change direction, creating the powerful system we see now. Even today, scientists are still trying to figure out exactly how this transformation happened. The Amazon is also a place of extreme change. During the rainy season, the river can rise dramatically, flooding large areas of the forest and turning the land into a temporary underwater world. In these conditions, fish swim between trees, and animals must quickly adapt to a new environment where land and water are no longer separate. This constant change makes the Amazon feel alive, always moving, always changing. There are also stories about parts of the Amazon that remain completely unexplored. Because of its size, dense vegetation, and dangerous conditions, there are areas that humans have rarely reached, which has led to stories of unknown creatures and hidden places deep within the jungle. While many of these stories are not proven, they continue to draw in curiosity, because the Amazon is one of the few places left where the unknown still feels possible. At the same time, the Amazon is under growing pressure. Human activities such as deforestation and pollution are slowly changing the environment, putting many species at risk and threatening the balance of this complex system. Scientists and conservation groups are working to protect it, but the future of the Amazon remains uncertain. The Amazon is not just a river, but a living world filled with secrets, where nature continues to surprise us, and even today, it reminds us how small our knowledge is compared to the vast and unknown forces of the natural world.